Say something stupid.
Here comes.
I'm not gonna say anything. It looks good. It looks good.
Dude, I'm trying to make sure I'm doing a good job, unlike how you help your friends.
Yeah, hold the light where I'm fucking working there.
Yep.
Nah.
Oh.
It's in my eyes, you Petey's a better help than you. Ow.
Sorry, I was holding the light.
Where I was fucking working. Alright, good enough. I like a fucking weird puppy dog that wants to like get out of your freaking legs.
Get the fuck out of here.
Goose.
Oh man, fix so nice. You break a windshield and jeez, that thing is hot. Jeez, that thing is hot.
You stupid
Dude.
asshole.
That was
Welding make heat.
holy smokes.
That side's, yeah, that side's definitely got to come up a hair. Go with that.
What is that?
This is the fucking thing I'm building.
It's staying on the outside? You look like Jurassic Park people.
Dude!
I literally watched
That's so
Jurassic
funny.
Park
I
last
literally
night.
say that I hate this style of cage because it looks like a safari.
It does.
I literally watched Jurassic Park last night. That's so funny.
Okay, thanks for the info nobody gave a shit about. Matt, stop yanking on the fucking
just
thing.
making sure that it's gonna work, dude.
It's not even welded. What do you mean?
Center row pipe is 23 and a half.
It's close. Gotta pull the whole top off to weld all the insides of all the stuff and
Oh, what off?
paint the
What's
bottom.
What are you talking about?
The whole row cage.
You're taking what off? Wait, you're gonna cut the bottom legs and then take this whole thing off?
Yeah.
The next morning.
Well, on this episode of how fucking rotted is Dale's Jeep. Lipstick on a pig, baby.
You bought a driver one too?
Fucking quicker shipping to get both.
Jesus, this guy's going crazy. I don't know if we filmed it, but the reason we are putting a floor in this Jeep is because there's no floor left in this Jeep. And we gotta mount the cage to it. Oh well, there's a hole there where the cage is gonna have to sit, so. Sweet. Ground removed. Plug removed. Ooh, Joe, you should put a hat on.
I know.
Your hair doesn't pick up on good on camera.
No?
When you miss and fucking cream your hand, it's gonna be a good shot.
Oh yeah. Dale never misses.
He wakes up in the morning and pisses excellence.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to add a trans tunnel, dude. It's routed all the way up the trans tunnel.
That's solid, dude.
In the front. I could see through it, motherfucker.
That's fucking aerodynamics.
It makes me aerodynamic when I fight. I can take danger.
I cut that all out of mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you just yank it?
I actually think I have to give Pt credit. I think he went up there and cut it with the razor blade.
Oh shit.
Yep, in knife.
We'll wait for Petey.
Dude, you go, girl. You go. Dale, it's weird seeing you work on something.
Huh.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, on camera at least, because it always get edited out.
Oh, Petey. Do you know I actually, so Petey doesn't get paid from doing this. The only money Petey brings as an income is the $100 I pay him every video to edit you out.
To edit me out.
Yep.
That's a good gig.
And it's worth every penny.
It's sucks. I'll find a way to weld this back together. It's almost like we know what we're doing, boys.
All right, Dad, I'll get out of the shot so I don't have to cut it out.
Fuck you, baby. Shoo! There's your new floor. Me personally, I would have just riveted it, but Evan wants to weld it, so that's what we're gonna do.
You don't gotta talk, I'm gonna cut it out. I talked to the camera, Pete, he goes, you don't have to talk, I'm gonna edit it out. Fucking guy, dude.
But yeah, we got to clean up all this metal. We got to get this flush over to here because this is going to be a sweet spot to weld because this is good steel. I guess once we get this fitted here, we'll hammer this back out from the inside to get that closed up and good. Fucking hate Matt. Where's Matt again?
Matt.
Not helping us.
Yeah, what's new?
You got one seat bolt.
Dude, that shit ain't even close. This shit's here.
What?
That frame rail's right here.
Yeah. But yeah, if we drill holes all the way down through here, we should be able to push this down. We could weld it directly to this and fucking be good.
Oh Lord, that's a lot.
This is what we got. Good enough. Good enough. We should probably do this side too. Dale doesn't want him. Negative. Grumpy guy. Yeah, but way more.
Yeah, okay.
Go lower.
Lower?
Yeah, you want to be by the bottom. Can we fit a jack in there, dude?
I don't think so.
Can you wedge the hammer in there and then pry off the hammer?
Oof, maybe.
Like get the hammer in there and then use that as leverage for the pry bar.
How the fuck am I gonna do that, Peter?
Just do it. No. Like put the pry bar like against the other side and then so you can use the head of that, yeah, as leverage. Like that.
I see. It's like a blind guy.
Yeah, that's the ticket.
Alright, that's all I got.
Alright, hold up.
Oh, you're leaving? Oh, it's getting late, isn't it?
Alright, Dale. Thanks for nothing. Dale did a shitty job. That's all he's getting right now. But it's like 98% of it we got to do here because Dale decided prep work wasn't an option there. And that corner's got to get cleaned a little. But besides that, we are like 900% done. Cage is painted in the rain, shitty. Sliders look like crap. America Crocs look sweet though. Dale, you forgot to paint this side.
Thanks, dude. Ran out of paint.
We'll have to measure again, but we could bolt it in and then we could pull it back to where we want. And we have to trim the, we gotta get the plates in.
Yeah.
See, it doesn't fit. Fuck. Fuck that new floor. Where are you going? Back?
Pete, you work in the deli department, dude? Cause you're fucking cutting slices back here, boy.
Slices!
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Come on. Come on.
Say it. Come on, one more fucking time.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, get in. Go for a ride.
Doesn't this thing not have floorboards? Ha, no seat. What the fuck is this? Look at that thing. I'm not gonna fucking sit on that. Hey. Evan.
What?
Quit fucking around.
Yeah. So this thing's been sitting over here for a whole year.
Entire
It's been
year, right?
sitting over here.
Man, she's ugly.
No wonder it was driving like shit.
Huh?
Who would have thought? Yeah, I gotta fix the floor. Finish the floor.
This cage.
It's all rusty now.
Did you talk about how it's been a year since?
Yeah.
We mentioned it's been a year.
Okay.
Well, I thought we were gonna do like I thought we were gonna do an intro.
Thanks for the help. Thanks for the
Don't
help.
do that.
Yep.
Don't do that.
That's what they're gonna see.
You're baiting me. He's bullshit. I've been
Bye,
here
Matt.
for 30 minutes. I've been helping him with
Bye,
everything.
Matt. Thanks for the help.
That's fuck. You guys suck. All right, I'll see you fuckers later.
Thanks for the help, dude.
Thanks for all the help.
See you later, boys.
Bye, Matt. Thanks for the help. They're all stuck.
Why are they stuck?
It's freaking rotted in here from the fucking sitting for a year, probably.
Thanks, Dale.
Thanks, Dale. We'll get this shit off. We'll pull the inside out. Finish welding the bottom of the cage in there. And maybe I'll try to get Dale to come here with paint tomorrow.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh yeah, it's shitty. I didn't try very hard.
There. I didn't try very hard. This thing's so fucking rusty.
It's what a year will do.
Ugh, frickin' Dale. That's not that bad.
This thing's gotta get cleaned though. It's fucking horrible.
Gotta make the holes bigger because Dale pulls them the perfect frickin' size and the bolts barely fit through, and we're making it easier for us. Now it's time to pull this pile of shit outside, clean all the rust, and paint it. probably good enough.
Dale, this thing's a piece of shit.
Everything about it is a piece of shit.
We have painted a little bit of everything. It's all pretty good. There's a lot of runs because Dale's half-assed white paint job he did last time, but looks way better black. We gotta flip these pieces around, switch them a little. We painted the sliders. Still gotta finish welding those, but black looks so much better. Floor painted, so all the rust is gone. Besides, oh, okay, that fixed itself. That was easy. Pt sprayed the rust for now because we're gonna encapsulate that junk. Do one more touch up around the paint on these things, and then we're gonna slap this shit all in. And I see right now I missed down there on the bottom because I'm an idiot. We'll put this in. I'm gonna tack the front, I guess, on the bottom, so that way we could pull the bolts out. Then I'll seal the roof, and then we'll put that on the roof. Then we'll go from there. I don't know what this stuff's for, but it's not for this.
I'm trying to fucking hold a camera.
Fucking Petey, you fucking blew it.
Well, this is because fucking no one shows up to help.
You ain't wrong.
If it doesn't seal, it's your fault, Dale. What was a bad choice?
The silicone was a bad choice.
Oh, this ugly ass silicone shit.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
It made a mess. I mean, if it leaks, I'm gonna be pissed because my fingers are probably gonna stay like this for at least a year. So you want top or bottom?
Oh, I get a choice.
Yep.
What are we gonna do now?
Attach all these freaking bolts, tighten them up, and then I'll finish welding. That's probably Dale now. How's my Jeep?
How's it coming out? Did you guys get any headway on my Jeep?
You guys get any headway on my Jeep? Yeah. Weld 6 base plates and finish the front tubes. And we're done. Hopefully. Next day, ran out of wire yesterday, got wire today. I got to weld. I got to finish 3 welds and then we're done. Ish. Good enough.
show up now? Oh, what? We done?
Yep, just in time.
Oh, come on, man. I was ready to fucking get going. This thing looks good, dude. Sucks that the guy with the nicest Jeep is the one that doesn't know how to drive it.
That's awesome.
Fucking damn.
Inspector Matt. Inspector Matt's here to make sure the job's done good.
Listen,
You're
man.
our supervisor or something.
Supervisor. Every job needs a supervisor.
Let's go.
Why is this thing back in here now, Matt?
Matt's gonna weld the bottom.
No.
Huh. I'm fucking out of breath.
You took fucking 5 steps.
It was a fucking 3,000 pound vehicle.
There was 3 of us. It was only 1,000 pounds.
So I had to push 1,000 pounds.
Oh, jeez.
Just like you going up the stairs, bud.
Why is it back in here, Matt?
Let's do blue collar work for a living, Pete.
Why is it back in here,
Instead
Matt?
of play fucking magical keyboard, you know?
What is it doing back in here?
I gotta weld the bottom of the rock sliders.
Why?
Because Evan says I'm not participating. So I'm here to participate.
Here, this mask doesn't dim all the time. Good luck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's right. Who needs your fucking eyeballs anyway?
You got 4.
Evan,
Yes.
I don't have 4 eyeballs. I have 2 that work very good. Damn. Oh, shit, Evan. This is a big ass gap.
Yeah, surprise.
What the fuck, man?
Go and get in there.
That's a fucking gnarly gap. No wonder why you wanted me to do the bottom.
Also, because it's the bottom.
Can we hammer this at least?
I don't. It's steel.
No, we can hammer. We gotta hammer it. There's no fucking way.
Just
That's a big ass gap, man.
Get to weld.
Yeah, you can feel
Give
that.
me the mini sledge. Come on.
You're not gonna bend that.
I'm gonna bend her.
You're gonna bend the whole
I'm
thing
gonna
down.
fucking give her a bend. No.
Yeah,
No way. It's welded up here.
dude.
Ed, come on.
Crazy.
That's a big gap.
Just feel it.
That's a big gap.
Just feel it.
Pretty decent, I'd say. Fuck it. I like it. I'll have to go inside here. This is sheet metal steel. I cannot weld this to this without blowing a hole through
Oh, yo. So, at least I'd put a bead down the whole sheet metal section first,
this. Uh-huh.
and then
weld it onto it.
I would start on the thick piece
And then bring it
drag it over. It worked good for everything inside, because I did all the sheet metal for the.
This straight down isn't done.
What?
You didn't do this side.
Okay.
Oh, just saying.
Then we got to do that.
So here's a little pointer. Gotta get right inside here. You see? Right up in here. That's the thick steel. This is sheet metal steel. This is nothing. That's the thickies. So I gotta get in there and hit a bead in here. Then I'll hit this bead over here. And then we'll finish with the top bead going straight down. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, yeah. I did 2 overlapping welds to get this to fill. And then underneath here, I kind of just stitched it. That one was really hard to do because it was really big, the gap, but looks okay. I'm happy with it. That looks like a better one. That was kind of good, kind of shitty, but she don't.
That's it. Just gotta paint it.
That's it, just gotta get painted. There's a nickel on there.
There is a nickel on there.
What are we doing out today, Dale?
Fixing a rusted piece of shit.
Oh, so same as yesterday.
Same as every day.
Same as
every day.
We'll let this one sit for a second. I thought I had it that time. might have been a little big.
Yeah, it just looked like you're actually working on your Jeep a little bit, so I got some footage.
I gave him the easy job.
Can you see if it's turning from underneath?
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, that fucker turning.
Keep her going. 758,000. Yep. Camera really adds 10 pounds, huh?
Sure doesn't take it away, that's for sure.
Frickin' gotta put this crap in. Dale, stop yelling. Yeah, Dale's putting the driver's seat in.
Yep.
I'm gonna get the passenger seat fitted so we know where this has to be, mark it, weld it, and then Dale still won't come wheeling. Enough. Gets 2 pairs in his package. This is Dale seeing his cage for the first time.
Wow, guys, you did such a good job.
Since we've worked on the whole thing. So what have we done without Dale? We did the cage, we did the sliders, we fixed the seats, we did the floor, we did painted the bumpers, and that's it, right? Now we're gonna fix the track bar, and Dale's ready to not come on the next trip.
Yeah. You're gonna come for the next one?
Yes. Yep. Next trip, AOAA.
So next trip's AOA, settled.
What's the deal?
All right, and Dale has to go.